everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Team Vets. Today I will be showing you the unboxing of this NEEWER LED light from Amazon. So it's the NEEWER LED light 660. I hope you guys sit back and watch, and if you're my new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And of course, if you're my ride or die, you know what, I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing as well. Okay, let's go into the unboxing. So I'm just gonna take out the package. I'm going to take out the package and let's see what it looks like. I'm so excited to have this light because, you know, I want my picture quality to get better on YouTube. So let's see if it does the work, right? So this is NEEWER LED light. Open this bad boy up. Let's put that away. Yes, so it comes in a bag. Let's open it up. It does have a smell to it, but it's not terrible smell. Let's open this bad boy up. So it comes with a manual package and like safety, as you can see. It's also got this card where you can kind of like, if you're happy with the purchase or not. If not, you can always email them. And now there's also a paper that says you can recycle this product. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, this is really nice. So this looks this part here looks like it's made out of aluminum, like some kind of metal. And the barn also feels like it's made out of some metal as well. And I like the fact that it's very compact and it's not like heavy and it's not going to take a lot of space. I really like that about this light. It also, let's look at the back of it. It's got like this knob that you can kind of use to control the brightness of the light. So it has the yellow one and then it has the white light. So as you know, it's a 660 LED light, so about 330 is white light, the other 330 is a yellow light. So you can kind of make your video look a certain way if you want it to look very white, if you want it to look very yellow. So that's fabulous about that. And it's also got this spot right here in which you can kind of use a Sony battery for. So let's say you're outdoor or anything, you can always take it outdoors and you don't need to plug it. But however, the battery, the Sony batteries does not come with it, with the purchase. You have to buy it separately. And it also got an adapter thing here, if you can see, and that is where you can kind of connect the adapter to the ring light if you have to use electricity for it. I actually like the fact that it also has a green light indicator, which is this right here. I don't know if you can really see, but it has a green light indicator, and that basically lets you know if the power is on and off. Okay, this is really beautiful product, and you can kind of turn it around, which I really like. And you can open the barn as well. So it's got the barn. So you can open it like this, like this, and like that. So you can open it 4 ways and control the amount of light you're getting from it. With that being said, this LED lights can actually produce 3,200 to 5,600, which I think is fabulous. I really like this. It's like a really good buy. I'm so surprised that it's even this steady like this. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised about it. It's so steady like that. I'm really surprised about that. And it has a CR high of 96 plus, so which basically means that whatever the image is shown in your video, it reflects a true image of what it is. So it's not like the color, like the gradient is going to be half or the during videoing. So it just shows that it's going to show about 96% close to what it looks like. And it comes with a tripod. And I must say I'm really happy with this purchase and can't wait for my video quality to look better and get better. So it comes with this purchase right here. So why don't we just fix it up? So I'm gonna unloosen this area here. And with the screw knob, you can kind of use it to unloosen the bottom of the tripod. And in order to make it extend, it's easier when you actually put the the top part here, right here, if you put it downwards. So let's do that. So when you put the top part downwards, it's so much easier to widen. So you can just widen it out like this. Oop. So you can widen it out like that, and then you can secure it with your screw. So that's it. That's what the bottom looks like. I'm going to attach the light to the, I'm going to attach the burn to the light so you guys can take a look at it. And there's a little knob right here. And that knob right there, right? You have to take up the cover right here. You have to take that off, and then you gotta attach it. So that's screwed, and then I'm just gonna bring it down and just increase the length of it. Look how tall it gets. It gets really, really tall. This is me right beside it, and I'm like 5'5". And it gets really tall, and it even gets all the way tall to my ceiling, which is perfect. So you can always control it the way you like it, which I think it's perfect. So let's just look at the light itself. So it's got this right here, in which you can move up and down, and the barn. But the only bad thing about this is I don't like is that it does not flip backwards. So let's say you want to move the light backwards. You cannot really flip it backward because of the barn, but there are other ways that you can get around it. So you can just close maybe 3 of the barn and then turn around, and then close this one, and then you can get the other side. You can get the other side turned on. You can get the other side turned on. But this actually comes with an adapter, in which you get this AC adapter to it, as well as a connection plug. It's onto that. And this is what you would come with a case, but this is what would come with a package. But the actual battery, the Sony battery, doesn't come with the package. My YouTube is about to get better, man, guys. Like. So yeah, so this is the extension cord. It's an okay size, not too long, but it's okay. It's a decent size. If you have an extension cord, it's not too bad. You can work with it. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So let's connect it together, and then we can do some testing of the light. So we have this one here, which goes into the AC adapter plug, which is this right here. You gotta push it in hard. So guys, so this is this, and then I'm just going to connect it and plug it to a light source. So in terms of the light cells behind me, I will turn on the light so you guys can see how bright it can get. It's got the off and the on button. It's got the off and the on button that you can always use. So it's got the light. So this is what the light looks like. So let's see, this is the brightest of the white light. This is the brightest of the yellow light. So you can get both white and yellow light together, which I think is fabulous. And you can see the LED lights, and it does not produce a lot of heat, which I really like. And it's got a diffuser, like a plastic thing on top of it, in which you can always take off. If you don't want it, you can always take off the diffuser. But for me, nah, I won't take up the diffuser. It's got this knob things here on the side, and with this knob things you can kind of control if you want it to stay in place in a certain way, or if you want it to move around a little bit. So yeah, so that's the light for you. So let me just show you what it looks like with the light. I'll turn off every other light and just show you what it is like the difference it makes with the light, so you guys can see if you want to buy it or not. Okay, so let's check. So right now I've got no light, so let's turn on the light and let's see how it goes. Okay, so right now guys, it's dark, so let's turn on the light and let's see if it makes an improvement. Okay, so this is the light right now, and I can just reflect it to my face, and this is the brightest, but I like to put a little bit of yellow to kind of give me a little bit of nice color. So guys, this is what the light looks like. So this is the light with the lowest. This is the lowest of the white light, and this is the brightest it goes. So let's put that. That's the brightest it goes. So this is just the white light, and if I was to mix the orange light, this is what the orange light looks like in the dark. And I have it right, maybe I should have it right in front of me. So this is the side of my face. So this is it right now, darkest. This is it with the orange light. As you can see, it's continuing to get bright, and this is the brightest. And this is it with the mixture of both the brown right light, the brown and the white light. See how bright it is. And then this is a mixture of it. This is the highest with the white light, and then the lowest. White light. This is the lowest with the white light. Okay, so I really like this light because I feel like it's small and it's portable, and you know what? It doesn't take up too much space, and you can always, it's compact, and you can always pack it and take it anywhere you want to go to. So I really like that. Let's turn back the light on. The light. And yes, I'm really loving this. I can't wait for my picture quality to get better. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoy this video, and drop a comment. Let me know if you're going to buy this LED light, and let me know what you like about the LED light and why you would buy it. Don't forget to drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.